Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you all. So, this is my first video, and in this video, I want to talk about the speed of light and two other speed. So, let's start the video. So, as you can see here, there are total three speeds as per Quran. Only first one is the Allah's speed, that is the time difference to do anything delta t is equal to 0. So we know that God's speed is that like that because Allah says happen and it happens. The second speed is angel speed, the speed of light, and we know that angels are made up of nur, and we know the speed of light is this, we already know, but we will try to find out this from Quran. And then we will find out the Miraj speed, that is also given in Quran chapter 70 was number 3 and was number 4. So here first we will calculate the speed of light according to Quran chapter 32 was number 5. So to understand this we need to understand first when we are driving, so we talk about how much distance we should keep between the two cars. So sometimes it's 2 seconds, sometimes it's 3 seconds, sometimes 10 seconds, depending upon the road conditions. So the distance we are calculating in seconds. So actually the reference is the car speed, how much distance the car will travel in 2 seconds, that is the distance. Yeah, if you understand this concept. So I will come to this now. So in chapter 32 verse number 5, the Allah is telling that angels are traveling a distance of 1000 years in one day. What you count? So it means in 24 hours of earth, 24 hours, the angels are traveling a distance of 1000 years. That fast they are traveling. So to understand this again we need to take a reference. So that time they were using lunar calendar. So for lunar calendar the reference is moon. So the distance that moon will travel in 1000 years, angel is traveling in a one day. So we will just put this equation into speed is equal to distance upon time. So here we will put dA, that is the distance of travel by moon in 1000 years, that we calculate is this, and to calculate this we need the circumferential perimeter of the moon, that we will take from space.com. So this is that. So in 1000 years it will take 12,000 lunar orbits. So we will just multiply this with 12,000. So it will give you or the time was 24 hours, so it will give you the speed of light. So this is the speed of light that is going to give you. And now if we want to calculate the speed of Miraj, so in the chapter 70 was number 3 and was number 4, God is telling that if somebody goes from these ways, what is told in Miraj in chapter 70, that Allah has made the staircase ascents or the ways to go up. So if somebody goes up with these ways, so his traveling speed will be the distance equal to 50,000 years. So we know from here it was 1000 year. For 1000 year was equal to speed of light in one day, and here in one day they are traveling the distance of 50,000 years. So it we can clearly understand it is 50 times the speed of light. Yeah. So according to this we understood that if somebody is using Miraj, the speed of light in Miraj is 50 times the speed of light. So now this is a question, how long it took from our Prophet Muhammad to travel that distance of Miraj. So this one I will show you in next video, inshallah. We will talk something about it. And just important point I want to give you about this. This verse is also telling that if somebody is traveling from that verse, from that ways from Miraj, only so spirit can pass, soul can pass, angels can pass, and Gabriel can pass. This is what I understood with that. Because what I remember is using the word Aru and angels. This is so Aru. They say like it is used for Gabriel, but I saw so many translations. Some of the translations they're telling angels, Gabriel, and the soul of the Adams. This is the most convincing for me to get the whole meaning. And we know that almost all these things that we understand they are made up of light. So what I understood now from Miraj, from this words, only light can pass. The matter cannot pass. We will talk about it, matter and the mass. E is equal to mc square. In the next videos, I will explain it to you. We will talk about it. So for now, again to wind up everything, from Quran 32 verse number 5, we know the speed of light is 3.35 into 10 to the power 8. So again, as we know, this is 3 into 10 to the power 8, we know that. So it means we took the reference from space.com. So you can do reverse calculation also. If you put the speed 3 into 10 to the power 8, if you know 100% this is right, so on the reference for this the parameter path, the circumferential path of the moon, that is this one, we can recalculate. But for the reference, like I told you, this is the concept, not calculation. So this is the concept, this is what God is telling how it works. So according to the calculation, this is giving you 3 into 10 to the power 8, and we know this is the speed of light, and we know that angels are made up of light. And here again, if light is passing, if light is passing through Miraj, so its speed will be 50 times the speed of light. So this concludes everything for today. Inshallah, we will talk about other things in the next video. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you all.